photo management can be a hassle, especially with so many photos cluttering our devices. Today, we're diving into PhotoPrism to see if this AI-powered platform really makes organizing and finding your photos easier, or if it just adds to the chaos. So, what exactly is PhotoPrism? At its core, it's an open source photo management solution that leverages AI to help you organize, search, and view your photos. Right off the bat, the interface feels user-friendly, which is a huge plus for those of us who aren't tech-savvy. You can upload your photos and let the AI do its thing, automatically sorting them based on various criteria like location, date, and even content recognition. The intended audience seems to be anyone from casual users to serious photography enthusiasts, as it supports a wide range of file formats and gives you tools for editing and sharing. However, while the AI features are impressive, it's worth noting that some users might find the setup process a bit daunting, especially if you're not familiar with self-hosted applications. Overall, it feels like a solid option, but there are definitely areas where clarity is needed, particularly around installation and ongoing maintenance. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the positive side, the AI capabilities are a standout feature, making photo searches much quicker and more intuitive. Plus, being open source means you can customize it to your liking, which is great for tech enthusiasts. However, there are some downsides. The initial setup can be a bit complex for those who aren't technically inclined, and the documentation could use a bit more detail to guide users through the process. Another concern is that, since it's self-hosted, you're responsible for your own data security and backups, which might not sit well with everyone. Pricing isn't an issue, as it's free to use, but potential users should weigh their comfort with tech against the benefits. Casual users might find it overwhelming, while serious photographers could really appreciate what it has to offer. In conclusion, PhotoPrism is a powerful tool for those willing to invest the time to set it up and manage it. If you're a photography enthusiast looking for an AI-driven solution, it's definitely worth a try. But if you prefer something simpler and more user-friendly, you might want to explore other options first. Overall, it feels like a promising choice if you're up for the challenge.